Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. The question is for spectral series of hydrogen atom. So student, this is the column question in which we have to match which option of column A match with which option of column B. For that, please note the key concept of this question. That electrons on absorbing energy jumps to higher state or higher energy level, but electrons are unstable there. So to regain their stability, they jumps back to lower energy levels. So students, what actually happens inside the hydrogen or hydrogen like atom? Let's say this is an electron. This absorbs energy, and this energy may be in the form of heat energy or electromagnetic radiation. So on absorbing energy, this electron jumps to some higher energy level. Let's say this jumps to nth energy level. But since it is unstable there, so to regain its stability, it jumps back to some lower energy level. It may directly jump to the ground state energy level or intermediate energy level in between first and nth energy level. So students, during this process, this emits the energy it absorbed, and this energy is equal to the difference of nth energy level and the energy level in which it has jumped onto, and this energy is carried by this photon. So photon has some energy whose wavelength lambda can be given as 1 upon lambda equals to rz square, 1 upon n final square upon 1 upon n initial square, where r represents Rydberg's constant, z represents atomic number of element, and f represents final energy level in which electron has jumped, and ni represents initial energy level. So students, it is observed that when electron jumps from higher energy level to first energy level, where n can take the values 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity, with after calculation of lambda with this formula, the lambda lies in the range of ultraviolet rays. That is the lambda upon calculation from this formula, this will lie in the range of UV rays. Now, when electron jumps from higher energy level to second energy level, where n can take values third, fourth, fifth, sixth up to infinity, then upon calculation of lambda, this lambda will give the lambda of the order of or of the range of visible rays. Same we can write from higher to third, where n equals to fourth, fifth, sixth, or any energy level up to infinity, the lambda will come out to be the order of infrared rays. For higher to fourth energy level, where n can be fifth, sixth, seventh, infinity, the lambda comes out to be the order of infrared rays. And this rays has specific names, which is called Lyman series. These series of wavelengths are called Balmer series. This series of wavelengths are called Paschen series, and this series of wavelengths are called Brackett series. The last one, when electron transmits from higher to fifth energy level, where n can be equals to 6, 7, 8, or any value up to infinity, then this series is called Fund series, whose lambda is of the order of infrared rays. Options: Lyman series. As we have seen, Lyman series lies in UV rays, and UV rays are the one which are invisible to us. So option A matches with invisible region and Q. So A matches with Q and S of column 2. Let's check option B, Balmer series. Balmer series lies in visible region. That is, Balmer lies in visible region. So option B matches with R of column 2. Let's check option C. Option C is Paschen series. Paschen series lies in infrared, which 2 is invisible. So C matches with P and S. C matches with P and S. Let's check option D. Option D is Brackett series. Brackett series 2 lies in infrared region and infrared is invisible. So option D matches with infrared P and invisible S. So this is the final आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. आई होप आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ आए स्टूडेंट्स. थैंक यू.